What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you an add-on in Firefox that adds an extra layer of security to all the sites that you browse. So by default some sites don't have HTTPS, some of them only use HTTP, and that means that it's missing the security layer, which is what the S stands for. Now with this add-on you can just add that layer to all sites that don't have it, making your browsing experience safe and secure. So in my opinion, this is an essential add-on in Firefox. So you gotta go to the top right here on Open Menu, and then go to Add-ons. And then you can see it down here, but if it doesn't show for you, type up here HTTPS everywhere. And then hit search. And this is the one you want to install, the one that's recommended. That has 600,000 users, 4.5 stars, the blue S, so click this guy. And the description pretty much says what I was talking about earlier, and same with this picture. So just add to Firefox, and then click add, and then up here, allow this to run in private windows actually, because why not? Like, why not have safe browsing in private windows too? So okay, got it. And boom, it is just like that. It's ready in the top right here. So it's working already. After that, it's installed. And if you want to see what options you have with it, you click up here and you see HTTPS everywhere is on. And that's pretty much the only setting that I keep on. I don't worry about the other stuff because this setting alone just does its job, makes the browsing experience safe. If you know your stuff about security, you can mess around with this other stuff, but for everyone else, just leave the first setting on and don't worry about anything else. So yeah, that is how you make your browsing experience safer in Firefox. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.